Hey y'all, so today, yet again, we're doing something completely different. So we are doing another healing episode. It's that time again, y'all. Welcome to All Things Healing, All Things Hair, and All Things with your girl, TyeishaMonet. Like I said, we are doing healing mentally, physically, and spiritually. And today is another episode on physically. I bought this NutriBullet juicer literally a few months ago. It was a Black Friday deal from Cole, and I bought it. And if y'all know me, y'all know I love me some ginger. And it looks so good. I had it in the freezer for like a week because I was supposed to make this last week, but I didn't. Here nor there, we about to juice it now. And so yeah, we're gonna get into the unboxing first. And y'all, it looks so good. It smells so, I don't know if this is normal, but because since I put it in the freezer and then I like let it unthaw, it's not as firm as it was. Like I literally can squeeze it and the juice will come out. See, look. And that's like me squeezing it lightly. It smells so good. But this is the box. It comes with everything, as you can see. And I want to say I'm excited, but I should have been used it. So obviously I'm not, as excited as I could be. But whatever. We about to open it.
Yeah. So as long as the juicer and stuff don't fall, we good. Oh, this is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
It's a little flap right here that I think is really cool. So you lift that up, put the cup under here, and let it just It wasn't on all the way. There we go. We're good now. So, I forgot to take a picture of the ginger, but this is what the full piece looks like. It's like so liquidy, like it's... I didn't even try to squeeze it. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it and see what happens. So, it said for like fruit and stuff, put on low. So... I need to pull it out some more. I have no idea if you were supposed to do that. I think I pushed it down too far. But it's okay. But we're good. Nothing exploded. Y'all, I was just talking and did not realize I was not recording. Like, nonetheless, that is insane. Goodness, I can't believe I did that. Nonetheless, I was just telling y'all, or telling the people about the reasoning and why ginger. I want to juice ginger. 2021, I had COVID, and coming into the new year, right? How awful. But thankfully, two of my close friends, was here with me when like I got the diagnosis. And like, so they kind of like took care of me a little bit. Shout out to Gabby and Tony. Love y'all. And one of the things that they got me was these ginger shots from Trader Joe's. And when I tell y'all, I started using those faithfully just because I felt the difference when I took it. It was between that and the turmeric shots. I had the vitamin C shots, the vitamin D and zinc shots. I was taking all of Trader Joe's shots faithfully. And if y'all know, those things are not cheap. They're so small, they're worth it, but they are not cheap, baby. And so I was paying like $60 a month for just the turmeric and ginger shots. And I'm like, there has to be another way. Has to be another way. So I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and see how much it costs to get a juicer, yada, yada, yada. I found this one at Kohl's. Kohl's was having a Black Friday sale. And I needed to take something back through Amazon. So I'm like, you know what, it's a win-win, because when you take something back to Amazon, they give you a $5 cold cash thing. And so it was on sale. I had that $5 thing for Amazon return. And Kohl had a 15% off online discount that they let me use in addition to everything else. So it was bet, let's do it. We in there. So I think I only paid $50, roughly, give or take, for this.
I'm literally trying to I need to be doing it over this. I'm over here wasting ginger juice. Okay. This is filled enough. I do have one little piece left, but let's get this down. Let's get this down some first, and then we can cut and put this last piece on there. So yeah. Let's get it cracking. It's unplugged. Let's take a look inside. Y'all, it smells so good. And so here I Googled what I can do with the pulp and how I can reuse it. So I used my tea infuser and I put it in some water. Y'all, it literally did not taste like anything but the apple cider vinegar that I also put in here. And it was nothing but a disappointment. So if you want to try it, go for it. But don't do it under my recommendation because I don't recommend it. Okay, so it is now the moment of truth. So we're going to talk about what's in here, but I want y'all to see my reaction first. So, cheers. Yep, you guessed it. I don't like it. I don't know who had me thinking my name was Trader Joe's, but I used the juice, turmeric, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Never again. I'm so ashy, but that was so disgusting. Okay, we're going to work on the recipe, and I'm going to update y'all another day, because the ginger burns. The powdery substance it probably was the turmeric that I taste the most. No, that wasn't it. We gonna have to go back to the drawing board. So this week Black owned business is Savor The Moment, located here in Greensboro, North Carolina. Let's take a look inside. When you go in, it's this very cute, great vibe bakery. Very decorative, very colorful. On display, you see a bunch of desserts, okay? They have their signature cheesecakes, they have banana pudding, strawberry shortcake, ice cream, everything. They even have another section on the other side of the room where you can get some jams, some body butter, some coffee, a bunch of things.
At the beginning of the pandemic, we came out with a strawberry crunch cheesecake. That was our very first one. We were over by the Greensboro Coliseum, and it literally saved our business because people were still eating. That was pretty much all they were still doing. And so we've added 14 signature flavors now. And we also have a crunch cheesecake bar where you can create your own crunch cheesecake. So instead of just kind of sticking to what we have over here, you can make whatever your mind can imagine. Just like how when you go to like Cold Stone and do your ice cream creations, you can do the same thing with your crunch cheesecake. And then we even have like the crunch cheesecake mini packs where you can, like the 4-pack that's down there, where you can put toppings on different ones. So it's like a variety pack with different flavors, and then you can put your toppings on that. We got crunch cheesecake truffles, which are really delicious, and so we have other desserts, but our crunch cheesecake is our premier dessert, and what people really kind of look at us for. And we're in the process right now of trademarking crunch cheesecake because nobody else is doing this product at all.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and check me out on TikTok and Instagram at TyeishaMonet. Bye. See you next week.